Hello everyone, welcome to SONAN Tech, our YouTube channel. Today we are showing you Motorola Edge 2021 LCD replacement. First thing is you have to use the heat gun. I just made this video in a little bit faster mode. Use the heat gun to peel the back, and then you will have to use any pry tool to detach the back of the phone. You can use little alcohol, and you can use like X-ray or any plastic film. So there is some part near the camera or the flashlight, there is more adhesive, so you have to put little alcohol and use the spudger. Once that's done, you have to clean it up, the excessive tape or adhesive, and then we have to open the screws. There are Phillips screws, so many, you will see. Okay, once all the screws are open, you will go to the bottom part, because we need to take the battery out of it, so it's better to remove that as well. So removing the top part, okay, this is the bottom part, and you can remove the top part as well. Okay, disconnect the battery and disconnect the screen flex, and then put the new LCD flex to test it first. Turn on the phone. Make sure the screen has no damages, the touch is working fine, everything looks good. Then we're going to remove the old screen and we're going to put the new screen on it. Move the icons, like hold one icon and move it on the screen. If it keeps moving with your finger, this means touch is good. Detach the new screen. Now we have to remove the battery, put some alcohol, wait for some time so that it can loosen the adhesive. In the meantime, you can try to remove the excessive adhesive from the side, so that when you put it back with the glue, it should stick well. Okay, now it should be a little better. Just use a battery removal tool. It's a flat plastic tool. Be careful with the motor batteries, they catch fire very easily, so you have to be very patient. Just keep putting the alcohol a little bit and try to push the battery. You have to be very patient and very gentle. Do not force the battery, because if it gets punctured, it's going to be disaster. Put the battery on the side. Now remove the flex. Now we have to remove the front LCD, the broken one. I'm just going to use the heat gun a little bit. I'm using the LCD without frame here. So you use any blade, take it apart. Here you go. And then you just clean up the edges for the new screen using the blade. I think I should have fast forwarded this part as well, but it's okay. You have to just clean it up properly so that the new screen and adhesive, everything goes well. You can use a brush, teeth brush, to clean it up. Now remove the adhesive tapes, the protective tapes. Yes. So that's it. Now we have to put the glue on the screen, or actually on the frame, and then we will put the screen on it. So make sure you cover all the edges and just leave the speaker at the earpiece area at the top. Do not put the glue or adhesive on that one. I just put some 2 extra adhesive strips here to hold the screen properly. It's not necessarily required, but I prefer to put this one in. And now just make sure the screen fits well across all the edges. Now there are 2 options. Either you can put the phone back and then put the rubber bands on it, but what I did, I put the weight for some time, and after like 10-15 minutes I remove the weight, and just now I'm gonna put the phone back, put the battery, LCD flex, battery flex, and then the bottom loudspeaker, put the screws back, the top part, the camera cover, and now just clean this back cover and put some adhesive on that one. Guys, if you like this video or if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you like. And if you have any comments, if you want to see something, I may be very bad at responding, but I would appreciate any encouragement, any suggestions will be more than welcome. You put it back and turn it on, make sure it's working fine, then put the rubber bands on. Maybe for 30 minutes is enough, and once you remove the rubber bands, the screen should be good, the back cover should be good. Put it on charging. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will bring some more videos to you, and just make sure the phone is starting well and all. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching SONAN Tech YouTube channel. Bye.